Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a debug card for your motherboard. A debug card is a small, invaluable tool that helps you quickly diagnose issues with your computer's main board. It displays special codes, usually 2 or 4 digits, which correspond to different stages of the power-on self-test or post. Understanding these codes can save you a lot of time and frustration when troubleshooting hardware problems, making the process much easier. Now, let's get your debug card installed. First, and most importantly, make sure your computer is completely powered off and unplugged from the wall for safety. Next, open your computer case and locate an available expansion slot, either a PCI or PCIe slot, on your motherboard. Gently align the debug card with the slot and press it down firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure it's seated securely to make proper contact. Once your debug card is installed, power on your computer. As it starts up, you'll see a series of 2-digit or 4-digit codes rapidly cycling on the debug card's display. These are the power-on self-test codes. The most crucial step here is to refer to your motherboard's user manual. Each manufacturer has a unique set of codes, and the manual will provide a detailed explanation for what each code signifies, helping you pinpoint issues. With the post codes in hand, you can now troubleshoot effectively. If your computer boots successfully, you'll often see a code like 00 or FF displayed, indicating all systems are good. However, if the computer stops booting and a code remains frozen on the display, that's your clue. For instance, a code like 2B might point directly to a memory problem. This method allows you to quickly narrow down the faulty component and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.